You got one. That's a good sized fish. Oh, easy release. There you go. Morning. It's going okay.
Yeah.
I got one fish a little while ago.
Oh.
But it was before 8 a.m., so we don't count it.
Before.
Yeah. We're counting fish today.
Underneath the dock again?
I just had one on because Mike was just saying, like, I'm not getting any bites out there when I'm trying to bomb cast. So the first bite I had was right here. Morning, man.
Is it?
I think so. At least it is morning.
I don't know.
We'll decide on the good in a few minutes.
How's it going, man?
Good to see you.
Also, new rod. It's the Chrome Strike 5 weight.
Oh!
So you'll have to, you can give that a go if you want.
It's quite light.
Yeah. It's for some reason way more stiff than the salmon rod.
Just completely different action.
Yeah, totally different.
Huh.
It's much stiffer than my other rod, so I'm like not used to it.
Nice real color combo. So what's your problem? You can't cast it out?
I suck at casting is the main problem. You have a go. Try to bomb it as far as you want.
Yeah, it feels as though it's underlying.
Yeah.
Oh. That didn't go
Uh-oh.
well.
GG my leech.
Tough fishing a long leader.
I know. If I move the indicator down to like 4 foot, it'll probably be a lot better. Yeah, that's like the max I can do comfortably, and then I just lose it. And that's probably
How
a little...
far do you want to cast? I know here we always want to be on the other side of the trees, but...
I want to cast another 15 foot. That's what I
shorten
want.
up your leader a bit, but...
Yeah. I know it'll cast better if I...
You could put a slightly heavier line on it.
And I have to buy another line.
I know. But,
Yeah.
it's good enough.
Yeah. It's different though, right?
Feels nice.
You like the feel?
I do.
Yeah. If you want, you can throw your reel on it later.
So, have got anyone else here from the Discord?
Every single person here is the Discord.
Really?
Yeah. Are you fishing with shrimp? Did I see shrimp?
Yeah.
That's just disrespectful. What do you?
Some flavor.
With some flavor. What are you guys using? Bait?
Worm.
Worms.
Worm.
Classic.
Yep. Garden variety.
What do you have on, Ian?
A vampire leech.
Vampire leech. I'm fishing a black and blue leech.
Point, 'cause I can feel
Passively.
the, what do you call it? But the line moves.
What are you fishing? What you got
I
on?
have a black leech on.
Black
with,
leech.
Red bead head.
Oh, red bead. Nice. I like that.
Yeah. Classic trout.
Classic. How about you?
I have got the Rosinator.
Rosinator. Good man. The guy who tied the fly for me.
I got a little Rosinator. Seen better days, but
It'll work.
yeah.
Catches fish. How about you? What are you fishing?
I'm fishing balanced leech.
What color?
Brown.
Brown.
Yeah.
Brown. Okay. Cool. Can I see it?
Sure.
You're like actively fishing. I'm just trying to prevent you from catching more fish.
Yeah, it's more like.
Oh, olive.
Yeah, it's more like olive.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. It's quite small. I like the size.
Maddie's got one.
Who? That's bullshit. That's bullshit, dude. I'm gonna throw your shrimp in the lake.
He's a decent little size.
What a cutie. Yeah. You keeping any today?
I'm gonna keep some. Yes.
Yeah, he's too small. Keep bigger ones. Bye, fishy.
So just chartreuse little jig head and shrimp.
And shrimp.
Yep.
Well, the shrimp is, yeah, it's kind of hack. And sorry, you're casting like out there, out there?
Was, like straight up to the island.
Oh, straight out there.
Yes,
Okay.
that's kind of, this is the area where
I might come hang out with you real quick.
Okay.
Get in the net. Nice. Good job, dude. Hopefully the fishing picks up. I'll zoom in.
Yeah, this one needs a zoom in. Nice.
God, your casting is pretty. I hate you. Who?
My son.
Oh. Oh.
There you go.
That's a nice sized fish. Bye, fishy. Well, we'll leave the net here and hope for the best.
Oh, there you go again, another one.
Oh, nice.
Killing it.
Damn.
He's tiny.
That's like the one I caught, the ones I caught yesterday.
Can I get a close up of your fish? He'd bite immediately.
Pretty much.
I don't like that. Yeah.
Everything. Well, 12 feet down.
12 foot down, yeah. You got one? Let's go.
Oh my god, it's
Yeah, it's a salmon.
it's a salmon.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's a good salmon.
That's a
I'm keeping
good
this one.
fish.
I'm keeping this one. Come on up. That
All right, he's landed.
one I'm keeping.
A nice little football. Oh, shit. So I'm just doing something wrong, I guess. I'm going to ask you what you're using instead.
Small woolly bugger.
Small woolly bugger. All right, it's basically a leech. What's your depth?
I don't know. I'm using a 3" per second.
Oh,
So
are you
like near the top, I guess, like about a foot off the top.
interesting? Do you do like a hand twist retrieve on that, or?
Oh, I just slow about like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes I mix it up a bit, give it a couple small twitches.
Maybe they just want some action. You guys on again? Wait, a double up. Oh, shit. That's a pretty fish. You keeping these guys?
No.
No? Yeah, he just has really pretty colors.
I know.
I had a bobber down.
You almost took my eye out.
I'm sorry, Mike. I'll try to go straight up. Oh, get out of here, boot. That's 2 in a row.
Same fish. Oh, you found it now.
Whoa,
Six. Thank you.
Your bobber's down. Yeah, it is.
what's everyone else using?
So that guy's using worms.
Oh, they love worms.
Yeah. Can't beat worms.
It's hard to be real stuff.
I know. But when you catch on a fly, it's so much more rewarding.
It's different.
I'm just trying to trigger them. You guys are up to 6? Well, yeah, that's great.
I just want one more for dinner. That's it.
Oh, nice fish.
Oh,
That's a good fish.
Number 7.
No, she doesn't. She's not adding on to his numbers. What is that? 3 for you?
That's 3 for me.
Gosh darn it.
3, yeah.
Alright, 9 repeated.
There we go.
Nice.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, it's another decent size.
Oh, there you go. That's a keeper. Oh, it's not a keeper. I jinxed you, man. Oh, I had a fucking bobber dip. Not paying attention. No, yeah. It kept going. I just can't see.
I'm gonna put mine right beside yours if you get one first. Oh, too late.
There you go.
I think it's the same one. Oh, he's off. No, he's not.
Oh, he's there.
I thought he was off. And he's off. Same guy. It's the same one. He's just talking to me.
That's a good fish again.
Got him?
Oh, come on.
That's baby brother.
The 7? Oh, come on. What the hell, dude?
I think this is
I-
a spot.
I don't even know this guy. He's making me look bad.
Hey, I'm one of your early subscribers.
Are you actually?
Yeah.
Are you here for the Discord thing?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't say anything.
Oh, I got here late.
No, I had no idea, man. I'm sorry. What's your name?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you are an early sub from Vancouver, right?
Yeah, from Vancouver.
Yeah.
First
Oh,
video
shit.
Was,
Nice to meet you, man. I didn't know.
nice to meet you. I think it was like half
Have a good one. I gotta head off. It's my
Uh,
nephew's birthday.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, I can't believe you were even here in the first place.
Well, I gotta be in this area. Like, they live in North Van. And
Yeah.
I'm picking up a big old thing of coffee from Moja, so
Nice.
it's all in one area.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for showing up, man.
Yeah, no worries.
Appreciate the support.
Nice to meet you all.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you guys went to the stave, right? How was that?
It was when I went in early November. It had promise, but I fished the wrong spot
Right.
for most of the time.
There we go. Another one.
Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
Up to 8. This is just child's play for you guys.
Yeah.
It's a nice fish. You're up to 9?
Now he got off.
It doesn't count. Yeah. Wait, did it fall off above the water? No. Okay, yeah, it doesn't count. Stop trying to cheat.
9 fish.
I'm trying to convince my wife that I can just like do the baby Bjorn and then put like one of those like mosquito nets around the head for like
Oh, there you go.
hey. Oh, we got the big old net. Get me on the board, Mike. Let's go.
There you go.
Thanks, bro. Oh, I should go get my hands wet here. Hiya. Pretty fish. This on? Yeah, I caught a fish.
You want that release?
Oh yeah, I want that release. Nice fish. You want to get your fly out, or?
There you go.
Beauty. Thank you, sir. First cat. Okay, that's your vampire still, huh?
Yeah.
Did you change your depth?
No,
No?
just put it at 4 foot.
Yeah. Beauty.
Ian, what depth are you at?
His long arms. God.
It helps. Is that your third, Ian? Oh, fuck, my bobber's down. Oh shit.
Second.
Can you? Okay. It's.
Back up.
I think it's back up. It was down for like 3 seconds, bro. Put this by you. How do I get this insanity on camera? Oh, this is fun. Got a nice group of people all catching fish. Just gave Ryan my spot so he could try to get into some fish. Good idea.
Yeah, thanks for organizing it.
Oh, I'm glad we got people out.
It's really nice to fish with buddies.
Oh, for sure. It is. Yeah. And this is a great spot to do it, I think.
Yeah,
Rice Lake, yeah.
just in the middle of everything.
Bob.
Look at this.
Oh, geez. Woo! Good job, guys. Just ridiculous. Yeah.
I never saw it that nice on this lake.
It's good right now. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I guess so. Oh, my camera's over there, so yeah, we can just plop her into the water. That's a good size. Nice fishy. Is this your 4?
That's my foot.
Yeah, and your son's 1 million.
There we go. Oh, that's a big one.
Nice, Mike.
I got my keeper, now I can experiment. Holy shit. I can be a little guy.
He's fighting hard.
Oh.
Oh. Well, he obviously missed the hook, but
That's
Obvious.
That's unusual.
That's
yeah.
very unusual. Sorry, buddy.
Put it on there.
Lucky 13?
16.
Holy sh... What? What? 16. Ridiculous. Oh,
Double header.
they're in the zone.
Okay, this fly's not working.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Of course, the old timer wins.
Now he's soft over.
These ones.
What?
Yeah,
You quit the challenge?
he wasn't getting any fish.
Proof is in the
Wow. Wow, dude.
Might be doing it for my wife.
That's a good fish.
pudding. Nice one.
These stockers would eat anything, but I guess it really depends.
Yeah, I actually thought those would get bites.
I thought so too.
Okay, bad casting. Oof.
I can't hold it because I think
Oh, sorry.
Oh. You guys caught each other. Oh, He did catch a fish. Land it. Everyone's on the board. Let's go. Good job, Ryan.
Thank you. Are you gonna...
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
That's a light take right there.
I appreciate you telling me I had a bite.
Nice.
All right. Oh shit! Yeah. Now that I'm at 8 feet. I forgot I was at 8 feet.
That was a very light take though. It barely went down.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Ah, screw it. Right through the top of the mouth. Barbless hook and let this guy go. Thanks for the net job.
Bring her for me.
Nice kindly.
It's a nice fish.
So which ones
Another
of
double
these,
up.
Oh, nice.
which ones of these get stuck, do you think? You've got a orange hotspot.
Orange.
Yeah, it says orange against chartreuse.
Yeah. I'm 8 foot. What are you?
Probably close. Yeah, 8 to 9 feet.
Yeah. It's interesting. They seem to be kind of at every level of the water column. It's got to be pretty close
Oh, I
to.
saw that. Yeah, he's in
Let's go.
over there in the corner.
The one spot no one can get to.
Yeah.
That's a pretty...
Look at them rise again over there.
Oh, beauty.
We passed about a halfway to a third of the way there.
Decent fish, dude.
I think I might keep that.
Yeah, keep her. Nope, sorry, you're walking that way. Oh, my bobber's going.
Go.
There's an otter over there that just swam under all of our gear, and he's eating a fish. What a goofball. You getting that on video? Nice. All right, someone want to keep this? / donation present? Oh no! I'm gonna give it to Corey anyway. If you're cool with that.
I'm cool. You're cool.
Is it big enough?
Oh yeah, that's
right.
plenty. That's plenty. Thank you.
All
sir.
right. No worries, man.
So this is, what do you call this one? The leech?
That's yeah. Oh, for there. Yeah, little leech. It's balanced, so
Also, it'll sit sideways.
It sits sideways. Yep, and then it's got a little hot spot.
Yeah, it looks pretty similar.
So the rosinator is this. That's like black and blue. This one has black and red with orange, and then the other one's black and blue with pink, which kills in spring. But yeah, I find here they like the hot spot a lot. All right, up to 3, let's go. We're not gonna compete with, nice, Ian. What are you up to, Ian? I'll go through and get numbers after. What are your numbers at?
I am at 3
3.5
landed. You count one when I lost.
No, don't count it.
Okay,
3 landed, same with me. How many have you caught?
Just one.
Just one. Oh, what's your depth here?
About 5 feet.
Okay, yeah, you might want to go down a little more. 7 or 8. How many are you at, Ryan? 2?
I'm at 3.
3? Ian? What's your catch count?
I'm up to 5 now.
Up to 5? Mike?
Either 4 or 5.
We'll say 5. I think you have 5. And the ringers here.
10 and 16.
Oh, Jesus. Jeebus. 10 and 16. Well done.
You want to bring home another fish?
No, I gave it to Corey,
Okay.
which he just left. I mean, he's... I don't know if he's too far away. Not gonna yell at him. That's a beauty fish, though. Look at that monster.
You had a bite.
Who?
You did.
We don't talk about it. Oh yeah. The fish is on.
No, it's all right.